I am the living bread which came down from heaven. If anyone eats of this bread, he will live forever, and the bread that I shall give is my flesh, which I shall give for the life of the world. But if the Spirit of him who raised Jesus from the dead dwells in you, he who raised Christ from the dead will also give life to your mortal bodies through his Spirit who dwells in you. Abba, Father, all things are possible for you. Take this cup away from me, nevertheless, not what I will, but what you will. So then, after the Lord had spoken to them, he was received up into heaven, and sat down at the right hand of God. To them God willed to make known what are the riches of the glory of this mystery among the Gentiles, which is Christ in you, the hope of glory. Jesus answered them and said, My doctrine is not mine, but his who sent me. And I have declared to them your name, and will declare it, that the love with which you loved me may be in them, and I in them.